Good morning, guys. Welcome back. Futures are up, but dude, check out. Well, Netflix is up $5, but check out Universal Display. One sec.
The entire sell-off that we saw this month. What do you think about those allegations?
So apparently, yeah, whistleblower was talking about people manipulating the prices with the VIX that kind of set off that whole sell-off. And so they're investigating that right now. That'd be interesting to see what happened because, yeah, that would suck. He said the VIX has been suspect for the last 7 years. Why haven't they investigated that before then? That's kind of weird. Snickers, what do you think about that?
It rings true to me. You know, I don't have the details like I did back in the day.
They shouldn't manipulate prices like that.
Contact me also, Becky, and tell me they've lost.
Show Universal Display. Come on. Well, anyways, it's up $14 a share. Sorry to spoil it, but you've already probably seen it by the time you've seen this video. Anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna have some breakfast. Shit. He said the CPI numbers came in higher than expected, and the Dow immediately dropped from plus 150 to down. Now it's down about 100. Alright, well today's now gonna suck, guys. I saw Universal Display was up like $14 pre-market, and then it was up like $12, but now I think everything's gonna be down. This is gonna suck. So there you go, guys. Consumer Price Index 0.5% versus 0.4% estimate. This sucks. How could it go up so much in 1 month? We were doing so well. It's time to sell a bunch of stuff, and now the market's not even going to be open for another hour. So can't even sell anything really right now. I mean, I don't know if I can sell any options this early with the market not opening for an hour, but when it opens, yeah, we're gonna have to start doing some selling. This is gonna be bad. Look how bad it's getting already. Shoot. Man, this sucks. Holy crap, the Dow's back up. What is going on? So I just took a nap because I was depressed about the stocks, and I was like, I'm gonna go sleep and cry for a little bit. And I woke up and the Dow is back in the green. So I don't know what's going on anymore, guys. Let's just face it. I don't think anyone knows what's going on. Amazon was up, then it was down, now it's up again. Holy crap, that was awesome. Nvidia was up, then down, now up again. Wow, look at Netflix. Oh my gosh. And of course, Universal Display is also killing it. So let's go see how we're doing right now. Alright, so what's up, guys, by the way? I don't know if I said welcome back. I'm a hot mess this morning. So the Dow is just bouncing around even, which I am totally okay with. The NASDAQ is up a lot more, which I'm definitely okay with because most of our stocks are in there. And we're up, it looks like, about like $7 grand right now, and I honestly don't know what to say. I'm in shock. I mean, in one way, I'm not in shock because the companies that are up today are just great companies. But on the same side, like on the other token, I did not expect the Dow to be here after those CPI numbers came out. I expected everything to tank. I was ready to jump out the window in my office, but I don't know, like it just didn't happen. So one of the funny things I want to show you is that covered call I sold. Check it out. It's up 1,033.33% today. But it's still not in the money yet, so that's why it's still not worth a lot. And so I could buy this back. I would spend more money than what I sold it for, but I would get to keep my shares and then I can sell another one. But I'm not going to do that because I'm going to take a gamble. Universal Display, sorry, let me scroll up a little bit. Let me find where Universal Display is. They are up to 159, and today is Wednesday. If it doesn't hit 165 by Friday, then we get to keep our shares, and I'm just going to kind of cross my fingers that happens. Knowing my luck, though, who knows? It could go up to 170, but even if it does, I still make money on the stock, and I make money on my call options, so it's really not the worst thing in the world. But yeah, so that's kind of how that works. But the OLED call, speaking of, are doing very well, and this is even a bonus. These OLED calls haven't moved yet. They're still showing at 0, and I have 6 of them. So if we want to check what the current price is, I can just type this in. One sec. Let me populate this, and I'll come back. Okay, so check this out. So I put in all the data or information. January 18th, 2019, 180 strike. Look, check that out. The bid is $6. Almost no, it's $5.20 more than the current price, which means if I were to sell this right this moment, and it got matched with if I did like market, let's say it matched with a buyer trying to buy at this price, that's still $520 higher per contract that I would get, and I have 6 of them, so that's over $3,000 I would get if I sold this right this moment. But if I hold on to it, it can keep going up, which is obviously what I'm going to do, and so that's really cool. Yeah. So, anyways, it's still early, so I'm gonna go edit a little bit, and so we're gonna come back and see how we do. What's up, guys? Welcome back. So it is like 10:11 right now, and boy, did it surprise me today. So let's just see how we did, and then we'll just talk about a couple things, and then wrap it up, see what happens tomorrow. Alright, so we had a strong finish today. You can see at the bottom, the Dow went up 253 points today. I was not expecting that. The NASDAQ 130, S&P 500 35. So really, really stoked about that. So yeah, let's just see who the winners were. Universal Display, of course, on top, as you probably could tell from earlier today when they were up. They finished up, since we have stock, we can actually check. They finished up $13.05 a share, which pushed our options up quite a bit. As you can see, the 180 strike, 21%, the 200, 31%. And yeah, they combined for over $5,000. Really, really stoked about that. Nvidia, Netflix, and then we had some really good names. Even OLED stock contributed a lot, so that was awesome. And then Amazon is up to $229 per share for this call. Amazing. We got in, if you don't remember, we got in at $199 even, and so yeah, already up $30 times 100, which means $3,000. So anyways, yeah, Weight Watchers, and then you can see we had a couple, like Roku had a good day, Red Hat. So yeah, really, really excited about this. A lot of stocks went up for us today, a lot of options rather, and not too many went down. The Universal Display call that I sold went up that much, so the person who owned that had a good day today. However, they're still not in the money yet. So as you can see, the option's not worth a lot yet. And of course, OLED would have to go up to 165 or higher for their contract to be worth anything at the end. We got 2 more days, so I'm just kind of hoping it kind of cools off a little bit. And yeah, but Groupon, not a good day for them. And then of course our puts did poorly. I do want to look into selling these soon, maybe on the next bad day when stocks go down a little bit, these go up, maybe I'll get rid of them then. I still got a lot of time with these, so it's just protection right now. Going to the watch list, we have Twilio. I don't really know what's going on with them lately. I haven't really paid attention to them since I sold their stock about a year ago. But yeah, cryptos had a really good day today, so that probably explains why this one is up so much. All of our cryptos, every single one went up today. Litecoin went up the most in the last like 24 hours or so. It is crazy. Really stoked about that. So here's Universal Display again. GoPro had a decent day. Hemp Inc., Hemp Americana up here. Yeah, Align, Snapchat. So it was a good day. Zillow on the first page, so good for them. 5%. Lots of good performance today. I mean, all of these numbers, 3 to 4% is just amazing for one day. And look how many stocks did better than that. So exciting. I just hope this can continue. Really, I really do. Obviously. But Netflix, there you go. We got Intel at the top of page 4. We got GE, which we are not investing in, but Nintendo is just killing it still, so good for them. Yeah, eBay, they're actually pretty good one to invest in. They still do a lot of business, but that's the end of the watch list. Let's come back to me and talk about some stuff. Alright, so I'm just going to talk about Applied Materials real quick because they had earnings they reported late Wednesday, and it beat Wall Street's targets for sales and earnings. They had a adjusted $1.06 per share, up 58% year over year, on sales of $4.2 billion, which is up 28% for the quarter ended on January 28th. and the analysts expected 97 cents per share and 4.1 billion. So that is awesome. What is really even more cool is that they are doubling their dividend. So if you own Applied Materials stock, you were going to get 10 cents per quarter per share. Now you're going to be getting 20 cents per share per quarter. So that is just amazing, and it's really awesome that they're rewarding the shareholders for that. Doubling is really good. That's a 100% increase. So that is awesome. That doesn't happen too often. Let's see. For its fiscal second quarter, they expect to earn an adjusted $1.14 a share, up 44% year over year, on sales of $4.45 billion, up 25% based on the midpoint of its guidance. So yeah, Wall Street was modeling for them to earn 99 cents a share on sales of $4.16 billion in the April quarter. So that is really good. They say that we see sustainable strength in our markets as large, powerful trends drive a fundamental shift in the demand for semiconductors and displays. And they make a lot of displays for like TVs and smartphones. Let's see what else. They were talking about something with, it must have been a different article, but I'll post a link in the description below. They were talking about how they're kind of in the artificial intelligence space, self-driving, Internet of Things. They're kind of involved in those industries. So any company that's involved in those industries has a lot of growth potential ahead of them. So I will try to find the other article that I was looking at for this one. So other than that, in terms of the market as a whole, I really honestly have not been reading too much because today's Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, by the way. I hope you guys had a good one. But I did not read a lot. I honestly just think my gut feeling is telling me that like basically all the investors are basically willing the stocks to go back up. Like the collective will of everybody is kind of helping lift the stocks up, and I don't think they want to see it go down. Even with the CPI numbers being higher than expected, it dropped down, but then it quickly came back up, which was just like bonkers, and I did not expect that at all. I was expecting to get hit bad today. So I don't know, I'm gonna knock on wood, cross my fingers, and just hope that tomorrow, I'm assuming the PPI is gonna be also high. So we might have a similar situation today, but I honestly don't know. I don't think anyone knows anymore. So it's just kind of crazy. So we're taking it one day at a time, and we're gonna leave it at that. So if you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And comment below if you have any questions or comments, and share with your friends if you want to show them how it is trading options and investing in a volatile market like I'm doing right now. So with that said, I hope you guys had a great Valentine's Day again, and we will see you tomorrow.